Welcome to our comprehensive comparison of three popular dash cams: the REDTIGER F7NP, the ROVE R24K, and the PRUVEEO 4-channel 360-degree. We'll highlight their unique features, advantages, and drawbacks to help you choose the best one for your needs. First up is the REDTIGER F7NP dash cam. It offers impressive 4K front and 2.5K rear recording, ensuring excellent video quality. With a 3.16-inch IPS screen, the visuals are clear and detailed, making it user-friendly. It comes with built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, allowing easy access to footage and tracking speed and route history. The 170-degree wide-angle lens captures a significant portion of the road and surroundings. Night vision with wide dynamic range enhances low-light footage, making it suitable for night drives. The included 32GB memory card is handy, though it may need upgrading for longer recordings. The 24-hour parking mode provides added security when your car is parked. However, the REDTIGER F7NP has some limitations, such as memory card storage and no interior recording capability. The fixed angle may miss side activities, lacking 360-degree coverage. Next, we have the ROVE R24K cam, which records in 4K Ultra HD resolution at 2160p, delivering sharp and detailed footage. Its compact design features a 2.4-inch screen, allowing for discreet mounting. Wi-Fi and GPS integration make downloading videos and location tracking convenient. The ROVE app is user-friendly, streamlining video access and settings adjustments. Night vision is excellent, with WDR technology enhancing low-light recording and reducing glare. The built-in park mode is a standout feature, offering added security when your vehicle is parked. However, the 150 degrees wide-angle lens captures less roadside activity compared to competitors. The ROVE R24K lacks rear or interior cameras, limiting full coverage. Finally, we have the PRUVEEO 4-channel 360-degree dash cam. It offers a 360-degree view with 4-channel recording, covering front, rear, left, and right angles. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi enhance its versatility, and night vision ensures usability in low light. The included 128GB card provides generous storage for longer recording times. With 24/7 recording capabilities and parking mode, it's ideal for constant vehicle monitoring. However, the setup is complex due to its 4 channels, requiring more installation effort. Its resolution isn't 4K, which may not match the clarity of other dash cams. The bulky interface might feel cluttered, occupying more dashboard space compared to single-channel cams. In conclusion, choose the REDTIGER F7NP for high resolution and night vision needs. It's perfect for drivers requiring clear front and rear coverage with basic storage in a user-friendly package. For simplicity and an intuitive user interface, the ROVE R24K is ideal. It offers excellent front-only UHD footage, GPS tracking, and a streamlined app, perfect for everyday use. For full coverage, the PRUVEEO 4-channel excels with its 360-degree views and ample storage. It's particularly suitable for rideshare drivers or those needing multi-angle security. The REDTIGER F7NP stands out with its 4K clarity and dual-channel recording, combining features effectively. For those prioritizing full 360-degree coverage and storage, the PRUVEEO 4-channel is unmatched. That wraps up our comparison. Amazon links to these items are included in the description below. Thank you for visiting our channel. Help us out by clicking like and subscribing. Leave a comment and let us know what you think.